changes you got out of meditation?
I got many wonderful experience in Dr. Dr. Hari Kumar's sir sessions. I find myself in different past lives regressions. I find 2-3 incarnations and
Wow.
many more experience.
Excellent. Very nice. Megha, she is from Bangalore. Yes, Nagini. Suri Kumar is also there. Very nice.
నేను మీ స్టూడెంట్స్ సార్ చాలా ఇయర్స్ నుంచి ఎన్నో ఎక్స్పీరియన్సెస్ ఎంతో స్పిరిచువల్ లో చాలా ముందుకు వచ్చాను సార్ చాలా బాగుంటుంది సార్ ఈ జర్నీ
ఎక్సలెంట్ వెరీ నైస్ వండర్ఫుల్ ఈ రోజు మనము హేమ థరేజా గారు షీ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు conduct some meditation sessions on financial freedom. Wonderful program. After that, I'll explain something about 5 elements, how they can improve your financial freedom. అంటే మనీ ద్వారా మీరు ఎంత ఆ ఫైనాన్షియల్ ఫ్రీడమ్ మనీ మేనిఫెస్టేషన్ లో 5 ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఎలా హెల్ప్ చేస్తాయని నేను కూడా ఒక 15 minutes తీసుకుంటాను చివర్లో. ఓకే, ఈరోజు బీ రెడీ. వాట్ ఆర్ ఆల్ ద వేరియస్ బ్లాక్స్ విచ్ ప్రివెంట్స్ అవర్ ఫైనాన్షియల్ గ్రోత్ and what makes us to not attract the money, the limiting belief system, all those things we are going to shatter by Delhi-based abundance coach Hema Thareja. And the Nadeem is a life coach and a fitness trainer. He is a very nice soul friend to me, and we are associated since 3 months. He conducts various programs in hospitals too. Okay, Asha also has joined from UAE. Yes.
Yeah,
Asha ji,
unmute and introduce yourself, Asha.
Hello everybody, I'm Asha Bharti. Actually, I'm also a life coach, certified life coach. Yes. So I'm in the journey to transform the people's life from unstuck to stuck to unstuck.
What are your specialty, madam, in empowering the people?
That's what I said. I want to unstuck the people who are stuck in their life.
Oh, very good, excellent. So claps to welcome to Asha ji and our hero of today, our hero speaker has come today. Hema Thareja ji. Yes.
Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you?
Hello, everyone.
Yeah, see how many people you attracted today. all are last minute people. Okay. And Dr. Dilip, are you there? Dr. Dilip, I invited Anita, who is a fashion designer, and some other models also there, and my students. Okay, they're all. Say hi to our Hema ji.
Hi.
And welcome. Wonderful. Yes.
Hello, everyone. कैसे हैं आप सब? All good? सब अपना ना कैमरा ऑन कर लीजिए प्लीज.
Very good.
कैमरा ऑन करेंगे तो हम ज्यादा अच्छे से कनेक्ट कर पाएंगे और आपकी बहुत अच्छी शक्लें देख पाएंगे.
Yes. First, on all of your cameras so that we can have on pic.
करेंगे तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा आप कैमरा. अगर आप ड्राइविंग नहीं कर रहे हैं और कुछ नहीं कर रहे तो प्लीज अपना कैमरा ऑन रखिए.
Dr. Rajesh, are you in hospital or somewhere else? Yes.
Yeah, I'm in the hospital. That's why I don't want to. I'll be off the camera. I'll be in the
Yes,
hospital.
very good. Nagini from Vijayawada, she's also life coach. Megha from Bangalore, life coach. And Suri Kumar from Hyderabad, he's also wellness coach. So, and Rajesh is anesthetist. Dilip is a diabetologist in corporate hospital. So like that, people are coming. And more people will join.
Yeah, it's good.
Yes, madam.
आप बताइए.
Nadeem, you introduce about madam being a moderator. I'll join. Today, I'll after Hema ji, I'll show you a few slides how 5 elements are going to create financial freedom. Each element, session with each element, earth, fire, and all the things, how it. And I'll give a demo so that all of you be ready with 2 500 notes and 1 candle, matchstick. Okay. In the last, I'll tell you how you are connected to the money, how to release all the entangles so that you'll be free. Okay. And at the end of the session of Hemaji, I'll do that session. Right.
चलेगा.
Yeah, let me introduce Hemaji. All are okay with she's going to talk in Hindi. Megha Garu, it's okay?
Yes.
Ah,
Yes.
yes.
There can a
Yes.
problem in that. Okay.
Everybody is okay in Hindi?
Yes.
Right, so
हम जो सेशन लेंगे उसका ब्लॉकेज का वो इंग्लिश में होगा, अदरवाइज हिंदी में सब कंफर्टेबल हैं क्योंकि मैं हिंदी में कंफर्टेबल हूँ बहुत, इसलिए ठीक है.
We won't see your language. We'll see your love.
Yeah, we see a love affection.
Because love is the communication language.
Yes, you're right. Totally.
Okay, let me introduce Hemaji. She's a life coach and she's an abundance coach. So she takes so many sessions on money management, how to attract money. Okay, she has taken, she have experienced more than 10 to 15 years and she's very lovely person, always caring to everyone. So I wanted to, welcome Hemaji for this session. आप अपने बारे में बोलिए हेमाजी.
Big round of applause to Hemaji.
Thank you.
Yes.
मैं अपना इंट्रोडक्शन देती हूँ. मैं हेमा त्रेजा हूँ और मैं लाइफ कोच हूँ, अबंडेंस कोच हूँ, थीटा हीलर हूँ और ये मेरा एक्चुअली ना पैशन है और मैं 10-15 ईयर्स से इसमें हूँ और जो मैंने सीखा है ये मेरे खुद के एक्सपीरियंस मैंने अपने पे किए और मनी का फ्लो बहुत इंक्रीज होता है अगर आप ये सब चीजें करेंगे मेरे साथ ट्रस्ट से और आप इसको बिल्कुल अच्छे भाव से करेंगे तो आप आज देखना कि अभी क्या है और एक साल बाद आप देखना कि आपकी सिचुएशन कैसे चेंज होती है. अक्सर लोगों को लगता है कि करते कुछ है, होता कुछ है, चाहते कुछ है हम, तो ये सब चीजें क्यों होती हैं? ये इसलिए होती हैं क्योंकि हमारे बिलीव्स बहुत बचपन से सोसाइटी से हम लोगों को मिले होते हैं, वो हमने फीड किए होते हैं और हम उसको इतने स्ट्रॉन्ग बिलीव होते हैं हम लोगों को वो आगे बढ़ने से रोकते हैं कि मनी इज अ इविल, मनी कांट बाय एवरीथिंग, मनी खुशी नहीं देती है. तो ये सब चीजें हमारे मनी के फ्लो को रोकते हैं. अब मैं कुछ 2-3-4 लोगों से पूछना चाहूंगी कि मनी आपके लिए क्या है. थोड़ा सा आप कैमरा ऑन करेंगे तो मैं अच्छे से लोगों से रिलेट कर पाऊंगी. प्लीज आप अपना कैमरा ऑन कर दीजिए.
Yes. We want all your faces.
हाँ, मैं आपसे ही पूछना चाहूंगी कि मनी आपके लिए क्या है. व्हाट इज द मनी? आप सुन पा रहे हैं राजेश जी? वो शायद नहीं सुन पा रहे. मेघा
come closer. Closer to the camera. Yes.
आपके लिए मनी क्या है? आप मुझे थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन करेंगे?
Is it simple currency? Currency or something else? Energy or something else?
Yeah, chapat.
Okay. Money is a necessary thing. That's all.
और क्या सोचते हैं मनी के बारे में?
Money.
Is it a simple paper or some energy?
चलिए कोई बात नहीं. और किसी और पूछते हैं. यहाँ पर एक और है टी नागिनी. तो प्लीज हाँ अनम्यूट कीजिए.
Fuel for vehicle, I think. Money is a fuel for vehicle, I think.
Money is a
fuel for vehicle.
Okay.
I think so.
So you mean to say energy?
मनी एक्चुअली मैं आपको बता दूं मनी क्या है. मनी एक एनर्जी है. जैसे एवरीथिंग इज अ एनर्जी, सेम मनी इज अ एनर्जी. हम उस एनर्जी को कैसे इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं हम इस वर्कशॉप में आपको सिखाएंगे. आपके ब्लॉकेजेस पे हम काम करेंगे. जो ब्लॉकेजेस हमारे फैमिली से, सोसाइटी से, बचपन से हमें रिफॉर्म किए जाता है कि मनी तो पेड़ पे नहीं उगती है, आई कांट, ये मैं ये चीज नहीं ले सकती हम क्योंकि मनी नहीं है. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम हम यही सोचते रहते हैं कि हम ये चीज नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि पैसा नहीं है, क्योंकि मनी नहीं है, और सारा टाइम हम क्या करते हैं अपने सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में, हम सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में फीड करते रहते हैं कि पैसा नहीं है, मनी नहीं है। तो ये चीज हमारी इतनी स्ट्रांग हो जाती है कि हम चाहते कुछ है और करते कुछ है। माइंड आपका बहुत ही ना पावरफुल होता है, और माइंड लाइक हम उसको 3 भागों में डिवाइड करते हैं, सबकॉन्शियस माइंड, कॉन्शियस माइंड और अनकॉन्शियस माइंड। कोई भी चीज आपके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में डायरेक्ट नहीं जाती, फिल्टर के थ्रू जाती है। वो फिल्टर्स के थ्रू जाती है जो आप सोचते हैं, जो आप सोसाइटी में देखते हैं, बहुत सारे आप अप्स एंड डाउन्स को देखते हैं, तो उसके थ्रू धीरे धीरे हमारे बचपन से फिल्टर के थ्रू हमारे सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में बिलीफ सिस्टम स्टोर होते रहते हैं, और जो वो चीज स्टोर होती है वो इतने बिलीफ स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाते हैं ताकि हमारे इतने ब्लॉक्स होते हैं जो हमारे मनी के फ्लो को रोकते हैं। ये सब चीजें मैंने मनी वर्कशॉप में सीखी, और एक जगह से नहीं, बहुत सारी जगह से मैंने मनी कहते वर्कशॉप्स ली, 4-5 जगह से, बॉम्बे से, एक कहते हैं सिंगापुर से, एक दिल्ली से। तो उसमें से जो चीज मेरे को सिंपल वे में, जो हर किसी को मैं डिलीवर कर सकूं, और इजी वे में लोग अपने मनी की प्रॉब्लम्स को दूर कर कर अपनी लाइफ को इजी बना सके, नंबर 1। और अभी मैं आपको कहते हैं ये एक थेरेपी करवाऊंगी, वो आईज क्लोज थेरेपी है, जिसमें आप अपने मनी के ब्लॉक्स को रिमूव करेंगे। आपको आईज क्लोज करना है, उसके बाद आपको इमेजिन करना है आप टॉप ऑफ द फ्लोर पे हैं, और आपको स्टेयर्स है, ब्यूटीफुल स्टेयर्स है। जैसे जैसे मैं इंस्ट्रक्शंस आपको दूंगी, आपको वैसे वैसे इंस्ट्रक्शंस को फॉलो करना है, और आपके अंदर के जो नेगेटिव बिलीव्स हैं उनको दूर करना है। आप स्टेयरकेस 20 भी कर सकते हैं स्टेयरकेस, और आप कहते हैं अपनी एज के अकॉर्डिंग को डिवाइड कर सकते हैं। तो क्या अभी हम स्टार्ट करें, या अभी कहते हैं नदीम जी, हरी जी, आप कुछ बताना चाहेंगे?
Very good. What Madam says is, through one guided meditation, we are going to release all our blocks, and we are going to fill the energy of money energy wherever it is necessary. It may be in some organs or some your mental energy fields, so that you can empower yourself. Well, wonderful.
और मैं आपको ये बता दूं, ये पूरा कोर्स नहीं है, पूरा कोर्स 4 आवर्स का है, और वो पूरा आपको हर चीज बताई जाती है, ऑरा क्या है, ह्यूमन ऑरा क्या है, वाइब्रेशंस क्या है, मनी मेडिटेशन है। इसलिए पूरा 4 आवर्स का कोर्स है। अभी हम आपको छोटा सा कहते हैं डेमो देंगे, उस डेमो में आप अपने मनी ब्लॉक्स को कहते हैं रिमूव करेंगे। वन थिंग, अगर आप विजुलाइज नहीं कर पा रहे, सपोज करो आपको जैसे मैं इंस्ट्रक्शंस दे रही हूँ आपको इमेजिन नहीं हो रहा, तो आपको क्या करना है, आपको वो चीज करना है। आपको पता है कि मैं किस चीज से जूझ रही हूँ, हो सकता है वो फियर हो सकता है लैक ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस हो, कुछ भी हो सकता है। आप उसको पेपर पे राइट डाउन कीजिए। जब मैं आपको इंस्ट्रक्शंस दूंगी, अगर आप वो चीज विजुलाइज नहीं कर पा रहे, तो वो चीज आप अपने हाथों में रखेंगे। ठीक है, आपको समझ आ गया सबको?
Very good.
Everybody
Even if you won't see also, don't bother. Even if you won't see also, don't bother. Some people are not visual people. They're all auditory. Some people are touchy, kinesthetic people. And fourth category is understanding people. Just follow the words of the Hemaj. Okay? And you will get all the experience. It is not the word. It is the wisdom energy that makes you transformed during these sessions. Yes, please.
ठीक है, अभी मैं अपना कैमरा ऑफ कर रही हूँ। ठीक है,
Close your eyes, all of you.
हाँ, close your eyes, all of you. Close. Relax. Relax. And exhale. Relax and exhale. After you relax, take a small breath. In, exhale. After you relax, take a small breath in and exhale through your mouth. Keep on inhaling and exhaling. Keep on inhaling and exhaling. While you do this, feel yourself going deeper and deeper, going deeper and deeper. Your subconscious mind like a ball of energy. Your subconscious mind like a ball of energy. Tap into that ball of energy. Tap into that ball of energy. Now you want to imagine there is a huge staircase. There is a huge staircase in front of you, and you're climbing down the staircase, and you're climbing down the staircase. And as you are stepping down, you want to release and staircase. As you are stepping down, you want to realize you are becoming more confident, more calm, and more peace. You're becoming more confident, more calm, more at peace. And by the time you reach at the bottom of staircase, you will be deep down in your subconscious mind. You will be deep down in your subconscious mind. When you are deep down in your subconscious mind, when you are deep down in your subconscious mind, you will be able to understand the money area. You will be able to understand the money area of your life, or how to manifest the money always you wanted. How to manifest the money always you wanted. So start going down more and number of steps. Start going down more and number of steps are as same as the number of your age. If you are 50, the steps are 50. If you are 30, the steps are 30. Number of steps are as the same number of your age. If you are 50, the steps are 50. If you are 30, steps are 30. Now that you have reached at the bottom of staircase, now that you have reached at the bottom of staircase, you will find yourself in a long, huge basement. You will find yourself in a long, huge basement. And when you find yourself, there you keep just walking. And now, as you keep on walking in this long basement, find yourself in front of a door, a very huge golden door. A door, a very huge golden door. A door which we open, go deep and deep into that door. Go deep and deep into that door. When I count from 5 to 0, the door will open your destiny. Now, when I count from 5 to 0, the door will open. It will open your destiny. Start. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. 0. The door opens now, and you find yourself in a very beautiful, majestic garden. You find yourself in a very beautiful, majestic garden. There are crystals, trees, and beautiful flowers that you have not seen before. Beautiful birds and animals. Beautiful birds and animals. And now keep walking in this garden. Now keep walking in this garden. Keep walking around. Feel everything. Feel the crystals. And now, as you go in the garden, you will find empty bin. As you go in the garden, you will find an empty bin. There the words deleted in written on it. There the words deleted in written on it. And now you will walk towards this bin. And now you will walk towards this way, where the word deleted is written. And now, where word deleted is written, and now you are going to give it color and shape for the negative beliefs. You are going to give it color and shape for the negative beliefs or money beliefs. You have and open your mouth and breathe out this color and breathe out this color and breathe out this color and shape. Let it come your hand it. Let it come your hand it. Your hand it. Negative please. You have and open your mouth. Breathe out this color and shape. Let it come to your hand and keep it in that being. All money, negative beliefs like money doesn't grow on tree. Money is a root of cause of all evils. Money divided family. just remove it. Just remove it from your mouth. Just remove it from your mouth in any form, and put it in the bean, then close the bean, and you can bury the bean in the ground. You can bury the bean in the ground. So dig the ground. And bury the bean. So dig the ground, bury the bean. So all your negative beliefs and bury down ground. Now keep walking. Go and find yourself sitting beautiful chair in this garden. Find yourself sitting beautiful chair in this garden. Now, thanks universe, all masters. Now, thanks universe, all masters. I count till 3. Till 3. Please open your eyes slowly. 1, 2, 3. Please open your eyes slowly. Open your eyes slowly.
Now everybody can on their cameras to interact.
Yes. How's your feeling? Tell me everyone. अपने कैमरे ऑन कर लीजिए प्लीज, हम लोग आपको बहुत अच्छे से कनेक्ट कर पाएंगे. हेलो.
हाँ, हेलो.
हाँ जी. कौन अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना चाहेगा प्लीज?
Wonderful.
हैंड रेज कीजिए प्लीज. कौन अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना चाहेगा?
Wonderful, Hema ji. Very wonderful voice. Guided us into very wonderful stillness and helped us to really identify the blocks and
Yes.
allowing the great energy to create the wealth in us. Wonderful. Yes.
ये तो अभी छोटा सा डेमो है. जब हमारा पूरा मास्टर क्लास होता है उसमें आपको हर चीज डिटेल में बताई जाती है. एक एक चीज आपको डिटेल में बताई जाएगी. वो 4 आवर्स का आपका सेशन होता है. ये आपके जस्ट ब्लॉक्स को दूर करने की वो है. छोटे छोटे टेक्निक्स बताए जाएंगे. मॉर्निंग रिचुअल्स बताए जाएंगे कि मॉर्निंग में आपको क्या करना चाहिए. आपको मनी के लिए आज तक भी कई लोगों ने, आप कई % लोगों के आपके पास हर चीज होती है. आपके पास अलमारीज हैं कपड़ों के लिए, आपके पास किचन होती है खाना बनाने के लिए. बट अभी तक कई लोगों ने जो मनी, जो आपको एनर्जी, जो आपको सब कंफर्ट देता है, अभी तक लोगों ने अपने घर में उसकी एक जगह नहीं बनाई है. अगर लोगों ने जगह, जब आपने मनी के लिए ही जगह नहीं बनाई तो मनी का फ्लो आपके पास कैसे रुकेगा? तो जब आपके पास हर छोटी छोटी चीज के लिए जगह होती है, आपके किड्स के लिए कमरा होता है, आपको मनी के लिए भी एक अपनी जगह बनानी चाहिए वास्तु के हिसाब से। नॉर्थ साइड मनी के लिए बहुत अच्छा होता है, और आप उसके अंदर आप अगर अपना कोई सेफ रखते हैं या कुछ भी रखते हैं तो मनी आपको अट्रैक्ट करती है। बहुत सारी टेक्निक्स हम आपको बताएंगे जिससे आप मनी को फ्लो को अट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं, इंक्रीज करते हैं। मैंने अपनी लाइफ में इतनी सब चीजें की हैं मनी के साथ, और आप बिलीव नहीं करेंगे, विद इन 2 months रिजल्ट देता है। कई बार तो 1 week में ही मेरे को रिजल्ट्स मिले हैं, और इतने पावरफुल रिजल्ट्स होते हैं। जो चीज मैं 2-2 साल से सोच रही होती है, अरे यार ये काम अटका हुआ है, ये तो काम होगा नहीं, ये कैसे होगा, उसको मैंने 1 and 2 months में अचीव किया है। तो
sorry for interruption. Jaychandra, IPS officer, has come to our meet. Sir, hi, Jaychandra sir. Unmute yourself.
Hi, good evening, Dr. Saab, and good evening, Miss Hema.
Is very senior police officer, retired, is very spiritual, well versed in Sahasra Nama.
Vishnu Sahasranama, I have translated.
Vishnu Sahasranama. And Anita Hari, she is also painting specialist. She is holding different exhibitions. Day after tomorrow, I am going as a chief guest to launch that exhibition also. Hari and Anita Hari, say hi to Hema ji.
Hi, Anita ji.
Very good, very good. Yes, now it's a time to share your experience.
हाँ, आप एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कर सकते हैं। आप
Yeah,
अपना
I want to share.
कीजिए।
Yeah, I want to share.
अच्छा,
It was a good feeling that negative quotes को bury करके I started walking. So let me see how I can attract more money in my life. So it's a good feeling that, you know, the negative feelings has gone into the under the ground.
Yes,
Some
very
fun.
good.
कोई और शेयर करना चाहेगा? शिफाली जी, शिफाली, this is a शिफाली H, I think. What is the name? आप किसी को
Yeah, unmute करिए, whoever wanted to talk.
प्लीज अपना और अपने एक्सपीरियंस बताइए। कहीं पे आप अटके हो, आप वो चीज भी बता सकते हैं कि आप कहीं अटक गए थे।
Dr. Imran, you want to share?
Yes, those who want to share, please raise your hands. Dr. Balaji. Yes.
I will say one thing.
Shilpa.
Thank you, Hema, for this wonderful session. Actually, as I told you earlier also, I cannot do so much of visualization, but still I think it was little better than the other day for me.
हाँ,
So if as you said that it comes through the practice, so I believe if we'll do the regular practice, it will come.
डेफिनेटली आप धीरे धीरे करते रहेंगे, आपको चीजें अपने आप विजुलाइज होंगी। अगर आपको अभी विजुलाइज नहीं हो रहा, आप इमेजिन करो आप कहाँ अटके हुए, जहाँ अटके हुए आप उस चीज को स्टोरी आप बनाओ। जब आप करोगे वो धीरे धीरे आप उस बात पे पहुंच जाओगे, आपको चीजें दिखनी चालू हो जाएगी।
Dr.
और
Balaji.
कोई अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना चाहता है, प्लीज?
Yes, Dr. Balaji.
Am I audible, sir, Dr. Balaji?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Audible.
sir.
Yeah. Is this some kind of a neuro-linguistic programming kind of thing?
न्यूरो लिंग्विस्टिक्स से बिल्कुल अलग है, मैंने एनएलपी भी किया है। दिस इज नॉट अ न्यूरो लिंग्विस्टिक, ये माइंड बेस्ड, आप हिप्नोथेरेपी कह सकते हैं इसको, हिप्नोसिस कह सकते हैं। इसमें आप ट्रांस में जाके आपके नेगेटिव बिलीफ्स हैं उसको दूर करते हैं। दैट इज अ डिफरेंट मोडालिटी। न्यूरो लिंग्विस्टिक के अलग।
Yeah, you are quite very good, madam. Actually, you got us into kind of a trance, certainly.
Yeah.
But no, I took about couple of sessions of hypnotherapy in the past.
अच्छा,
Unfortunately, the effect of hypnotherapy does not last too long. As you said, probably it may need a daily session. You need to probably rewind it and relive it. Otherwise, the couple of sessions did not make any impact on me. So I don't know how this is going to have an effect on my life.
हाँ, तो कपल ऑफ सेशन में आपको इफेक्ट मिलेगा भी नहीं। हिप्नोथेरेपीज आपकी लंबी जर्नी है, आप धीरे धीरे अपने सबकॉन्शियस माइंड को ट्रेन करेंगे। सब कुछ आप देखो आपके माइंड में है, जैसे आप सोचते हो वैसे ही आप बन जाते हो। आपको ट्रस्ट करना पड़ेगा, और दूसरा क्या होता है कि हमारे माइंड की ना वेव्स होती है, हम किस वेव्स में काम कर रहे हैं। जैसे सपोज करो अल्फा है, अल्फा में हम जब हम जाते हैं, हम मेडिटेशन में जाते हैं, वो हम अल्फा स्टेट में होते हैं, उसमें आपको 14 की फ्रीक्वेंसी आती है, जो एक टाइम पे आपका 14 वेव्स आपकी थॉट्स आएंगी। जब आप गामा में चले जाते हो, आपकी कम से कम 28,000 थॉट्स 1 सेकेंड में आती हैं। तो आपकी फ्रीक्वेंसी कितनी ज्यादा है और किस पे आप काम कर रहे हो, आप कितने डेल्टा में हो आपका, और आप पे डीप स्लीप में चले जाते हो। तो आपको इस चीज को समझना पड़ेगा। जब आप रिलैक्स होते हो, कई लोग कहते हैं नहीं मैं मेडिटेशन में नहीं बैठ पाता, तो मैं आप उनको ये चीज बताती हूँ कि मेडिटेशन में आपको जाने से, जर्नी स्टार्ट करने से पहले आपको अपनी जो रफ्तार है थॉट्स की उसको कम करना पड़ेगा। उसके लिए आप छोटी से, मैं आपको एक चीज बताती हूँ कि अगर आप राइट हैंड से काम कर रहे हैं तो आप लेफ्ट हैंड से काम करना चालू कर दें। जब आप लेफ्ट हैंड से काम करेंगे तो आपकी जो कहते हैं रफ्तार है, स्पीड है, उसको स्लो हो जाएगी। जब स्पीड स्लो होगी तो आप मोर फोकस करेंगे। अभी क्या है, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम लोग क्या करते हैं, जो लोगों को चीज नहीं चाहिए होती, बार बार वो ही अफर्मेशन डालते रहते हैं, बोलते हैं मेरे पास ये चीज नहीं है, पैसा नहीं है, पैसा नहीं है, ये काम नहीं करना। पूरा दिन में हम अपने माइंड में क्या फीड कर रहे हैं, मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है मैं घर नहीं ले पा रहा, मेरे पास गाड़ी नहीं है, मैं पैसा नहीं है मैं गाड़ी नहीं ले पा रहा। तो सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में जब जो चीज फीड हो जाती है, वही चीज सबकॉन्शियस माइंड से ही हम सारी चीजें करते हैं कॉन्शियस। तो ये बहुत जरूरी है जानना इस चीज को।
How many hours of such kind of meditation may be required before I probably start believing it, madam?
अभी जो मेडिटेशन, तो देखो आपको डेली भी प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा, बट इससे पहले अगर आप मेडिटेशन नहीं कर रहे हैं तो मैं आपको एक सजेस्ट करूंगी कि आप अपनी थोड़ा स्पीड को स्लो कीजिए। कुछ टाइम आप बैठिए अपने साथ और एक चीज को फोकस कीजिए। जब आप एक चीज को फोकस करेंगे तो उसके बाद आप मेडिटेशन करेंगे तो उसका इफेक्ट बहुत ज्यादा आएगा। और जो ये मनी का है, जो कहते सेशन है, ये तो 4 आवर्स का है, उसमें आपको हर चीज डिटेल वे में बताई जाएगी।
Sir, we are conducting money manifestation 3-day workshop. So in that you can learn very simple guided meditations. So not much focus is required, like hypnosis, and you will get betterment out of it, sir.
Okay, got it. That nice
और
session.
आप कि मैं आपको, लोग कहते हैं 50% रिजल्ट आते हैं, मैं आपको गारंटी कहती हूँ कि 101%, 101% रिजल्ट्स आते हैं। और आप इसको जो अगर अपने ट्रस्ट से करते हैं और पूरे मन से करते हैं, मेरे को 1 महीने में 1 मंथ में मैंने रिजल्ट प्रोड्यूस किए हैं।
But do you think that, madam, people with who earn a lot of money, who earn crores of money, they don't go through this kind of session, they still earn money? And do you think this would make me really change myself?
No, they have a not negative quotes. We all have negative quotes.
Okay, because they are positive, they're earning money. Because I am negative, I am not earning. That's what you mean to say, Hari?
Hemaji is a multi-millionaire.
Okay.
So her passion is to empower all the people. So here, few group of people are there, those who are multi-millionaires, and they are all training us.
Okay.
It is not about negative, but while we are growing in a middle class families, people tells paisa pedon pe nahi ugta hai. If you earn more money, it is bad. So these kind of, it may be good things, but subconsciously it will go on stopping us to attract money. Okay, I'm not saying so negative or positive.
The obstacles.
Yeah, next one, share the experience. Look, after that, Hemaji will take one more session.
Dr. Hari Kumar and also Hemaji, I would like to share a couple of my experiences with regard to money. What I feel is that money can be earned in several ways. In certain cases, some people are born with a golden spoon in their mouth, so they don't have any problem of money at all. The second kind of people, they are very, very lucky. Whatever they do, they just earn money, they just get a lot of money. Several multifold earnings they make, in fact. Then another kind of people are such as all of us, who may not be that lucky, who may be mediocre, etc. But such people like us can be trained by people like Hemaji, or maybe by undergoing certain courses of not merely meditation, but also certain courses of, say, earnings in stock market, earnings in industry, earnings in business, etc. And the last category, what I feel is that most of you may have been aware of this placebo effect. The placebo effect says that if you constantly and very sincerely keep thinking about anything, that will definitely happen. That is the power of mind, in fact. That's the, in fact, effect of a constant meditation. In fact, in the Indian philosophy, they mention about three avasthas: the Jagrat, the Swapna, and the Turiya. The Turiya is the third dimension wherein one gets into a kind of a trance, where where one person gets into, the practitioner gets into an avastha which is beyond the, the world and all that. It is purely the power of mind. He dwells in the power of mind. So, in fact, there are cases. If you, in fact, in Amazon, there's a book called The Placebo Effect, written by a doctor. The doctor, in fact, he had a very serious accident wherein he, he had multiple fractures in his spinal cord. So he was wheelchaired. He was, there was no way, in fact, anybody could help him. But he faced this kind of a Turiya avastha, or this placebo effect. And after about a year's time, his spinal cord became just normal. And it is proven with X-rays and other kinds of proofs. So what Madam Hemaji has said, I think is very near to the kind of placebo effect, which you call it in English, or maybe the Turiya avastha, wherein you feel that you are a billionaire. You keep feeling like that, and you shall become a billionaire.
Yes.
In fact, these are my observations.
Excellent. Next one.
मैं आपको एक अपना छोटा सा स्टोरी सुनाती हूँ. मैंने अपनी लाइफ में सब कलर देखे हैं. मेरी लाइफ रोलर कोस्टर की तरह थी. मतलब मैं एक गोल्डन स्पून से मैं फैमिली में मैंने कहते हैं बॉर्न हुआ. उसके बाद मैंने डाउनफॉल भी बहुत देखा. बट मेरे माइंड में बहुत, जब आप किसी चीज को लेके स्पेसिफाई होते हैं, वो चीज आपके पास आती ही है. मैं अपनी एज ऑफ 15 में मैंने जॉब किया, पूरी फैमिली को सर्व किया, पूरी फैमिली को संभाला. बट मैं उस एज में भी स्पेसिफाई थी कि मुझे क्या चाहिए. जब आपको पता होता है कि आपको क्या चाहिए, तो उसके आपको रास्ते मिलने चालू हो जाते हैं. मेरे को 18 इयर्स में मालूम था कि मुझे इस लड़के से ही शादी करनी है. सेल्फ मेड होना चाहिए, बिजनेसमैन होना चाहिए, मुझसे मैच्योर होना चाहिए. ये सब चीजें मैं स्पेसिफाई थी, बहुत ही क्लियर थी. आप बिलीव नहीं करेंगे, एज ऑफ 18 में मेरा मैरिज हुआ. और वही सेम जो मैनिफेस्ट मैंने माइंड में किया था कि वो सेल्फ मेड होना चाहिए, खुद का उसका, तब मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, उसकी कहते हैं 97 की, तब मेरे हस्बैंड का इनकम 2 लाख रुपीस पर मंथ मतलब बिजनेस में इनकम था और 50 वर्कर्स उनके यहाँ पर काम करती थी। मैं को ये नहीं एग्जैक्ट चीजें नहीं पता थी, बट मैं बहुत स्पेसिफाई थी कि नहीं मेरे को ये चीज चाहिए। और मेरी मदर बोलती थी कि आप उतना ऊंचा मत देखो, आप जितना ऊंचा देखोगे आपको नहीं हुए। मैंने कहा नहीं, अगर मैं ऊंचा जाना है तो मुझे ऊंचा देखना पड़ेगा। इसलिए मैं सबसे बोलती हूँ कि जो चीज आप अभी की सिचुएशन को देखने की जरूरत नहीं है, आपको क्या चाहिए उसके लिए स्पेसिफाई होना बहुत जरूरी है। जब स्पेसिफाई होते हो तो आपके आउटकम आपके सामने आते ही हैं।
Very good, very good. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes, Hemaji.
anybody want to share something? Your experience?
Yes, Megha, your experience, Anita ji, Suri Kumar, you can share your experience. Nagini, how you felt in that guided meditation? What have you removed your blocks and how you are able to feel the positive energy to attract the wealth? Yes, very good. Yeah, Ruchi ji.
Unmute yourself.
Good evening, everyone. I'm sorry I joined late. I was stuck somewhere. I was not the part of the meditation, I guess.
Yes. Anita is from Hyderabad. She conducts various programs here. When she heard about Hemaji, she felt of inviting to Hyderabad.
Yes,
There's a
ma'am.
wonderful art exhibition.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, good, madam. How are you?
I'm good. कैसा
Yeah.
लगा आपको? आप
Yeah, ठीक लगा. Actually, even I'm sorry. Actually, मेरा थोड़ा network problem था, तो I was just logging in, logging out हो रहा था. So now I could able to make it out. Anyway, I was just hearing something about you from Hari sir. Anyway, I'll take more details from him when I meet him next visit.
Yes, yes, definitely. जब आप कहते हैं पूरा कोर्स करेंगे आपको इतने ब्रेक थ्रूज मिलेंगे, इतना सब कुछ मिलेगा आपको कि अरे यार ये क्या है। और मुझे लगता है कि जो चीज मैंने नॉलेज लिया है उसको मैं डिलीवर करूँ। अगर मुझे फायदा है तो लोगों को फायदा होना चाहिए, और ये मेरा पैशन है, ये मेरा प्रोफेशन नहीं है। ये मेरे को अच्छा लगता है कि जो नॉलेज जिससे मुझे फायदा हुआ है। क्योंकि अभी क्या देखो, लोगों को सिर्फ 3 चीजों में प्रॉब्लम होती है, रिलेशनशिप में, मनी में और हेल्थ में। तो इस सब चीजों को आपको कहते हैं समझना था कि लोग उन लोग वैसी, जैसे मैंने हर जगह से कोर्स किए, मुझे लगता था कि मैं वो मोडालिटी बनाऊं जो आम से आम बंदा उसको समझ के अपनी लाइफ में उतारे और उससे फायदा उठाए। तो ये मेरी जर्नी इसी तरह स्टार्ट हुई। ठीक है, पैशन था, अपने आप को कुछ करना था, तो बस ऐसी मेरी लाइफ स्टार्ट होती रही।
Very good.
और कोई अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करेगा, प्लीज बताइए। मेघा जी,
Raise your hands. Those who want to share your experience, we'll go to the next one.
किसी भी लैंग्वेज में बताइए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। कनेक्ट।
Yeah, good evening, ma'am. It's a very wonderful session. मुझे तो बहुत एक्सपीरियंस विजुअलाइज नहीं दिखा, बट आई फील एनर्जी वेरी हायर एनर्जी।
स्टार्टिंग में विजुअलाइज जैसे आपको आदत नहीं होती तो आप नहीं कर पाते, तो आप उसको कहते हैं, आपको मालूम है कि ये चीज मेरे होती है तो आप उसको उसमें कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि एनर्जी फ्लो होगा।
एनर्जी आई फेल्ट एनर्जी।
हाँ, वो इसलिए क्योंकि सब लोगों ने एक साथ आपने कहते हैं मेडिटेशन किए, तो एनर्जी एक्सचेंज होता है आपका।
Okay.
Very nice. Megha from Bangalore. Yes, next one. Who raised the hands? Next will Suri Kumar. You can share your experience, your opinion. Yes, next Shilpa ji. Yes, Raghavendra. Nadeem, you can ask. Maria, Rajesh, Sahib, yes, Sujini, Hemalata, Anil Khanna, Dr. Imran. You can share your experience, but otherwise you will go to the next one.
Yes.
Yeah, wonderful session, madam. So next point.
Yeah, Dr. Hari, you wanted to start your exercise?
Yeah, slides. I can just share the slides.
Yeah, you want me to make you the host?
Yes. So today we are going to do a small exercise. Show your 500 rupees notes, 2 500 notes. Okay. And matchstick. Lit the candle. Lit the candle. Lit the candle. Show me the candle. Okay.
I will.
Today we are going to attract the wealth. Diwali is coming, and also Dashra tomorrow is there. So just lit the candle. Just lit the candle. Show me. Right. Okay. Keep aside for 2 minutes. I'll share some slides. Slides చేయాలన్నా నువ్వు హోస్ట్ చేసి తొందరగా.
One second.
Coming to your mind, what all the memories are coming to your mind when you are looking at the money? Maybe enjoyed your life to the fullest extent in your youthful days, how you have spent the money, how you helped the people. Just to think about it, look at the money, recollect all the good things about the money, one by one. In your youthful days, in your hard working days, luxurious days, just think about. Sometimes your lover have given the money or some gifts. Think about all the feelings. Nadeem, when you are ready, you tell me.
Yeah, I'm ready. I've shared you as a host.
Just to think about it. Yes. Now kiss the money. Kiss the money. Yes. You are. I need you in my life. Okay. So I'll show you some of the slides. How I make the people wealthy through. Yes. Okay. This is okay. Right. You all know money is nothing but like water. It is nothing but energy. It flows. You should allow as well as you should also share the money. So with the help of the water, you are going to acquire that quality. I'll make you to go under the water and get the feel of that water energy going into every cell, clearing and washing all the money blocks, and you will come with a very, very wonderful blossoming experience with this. This is snorkel water breath meditation. And this is how we do with the water, especially done in resorts. So in a group, a wonderful fun will also flow. And during this, what are all your blocks you have from the beginning, from your wrong parenting, all will be cleared. You will go into the mother womb and you will have new birth experience. This is Croatian going into the mother womb. You can see the finger in her mouth.
You can show
see,
big photo.
This relieve a lot of pain.
We cannot see it. Sorry to disturb you, but we cannot see
That is the problem with Nadeem. Nadeem.
You have to select it.
You have to select it. The photo.
Select
double click it.
Now can you see?
Double click. Yeah.
Double click.
Now can you see?
No.
No, we can see only one.
No.
Okay. So I'll show you if that is so. Right now, can you see?
Actually, You have to double click on that because we can see your screen where all the slides are together.
Oh, right. Otherwise, what happened?
Double click.
Yes.
Double click on that.
Now,
Double click. Dober.
Click on that two
yes,
times.
click here. It's all seeing. It is all seen. The problem with the Nadim.
No.
Okay.
Now
Can
you are
you?
above.
Okay. Is it not opening?
No.
Okay. How to do now? See, double click. I am doing it. Open.
Preview. First fella.
Preview na?
First one.
Right. Fine on the.
Click cheyandi right. First one. Yeah.
Okay. Now is it coming?
1 second. No, it's not coming.
Problem with you.
No.
Adi.
You are the host. You are the host, and you knew the power.
Is it coming or not?
No, it's not coming.
No.
No, once again, you click it. Right click. I'll tell you.
Right. Open with.
కొద్ది కిందకి రండి.
చెప్పు ఏదో open.
No, just click it again. Double click.
It's not showing.
Just click on that.
I think problem with you because I know actually it opens very simply. Okay, we'll go to the.
Open the file again, I believe.
Okay, right. Stop sharing. Now I'll do it. Just see. Share the screen. Yes, I'm opening. Now is it coming?
It's coming full.
Yeah, but all the slides coming to.
That means
You have to open
that
one
means
by
problem
one.
is already open.
If these are the slides, then you can go for slideshow.
Okay.
If this is PowerPoint, you can go for
No,
slideshow.
slides, just slides only. Okay, right.
Yeah, go for slideshow. It will show one by one.
Here it is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Fine.
Hey, you can show if it is there.
No, I cannot show. I have given you the permission.
Okay, right. We'll stop the sharing, and
Yeah.
if possible, you just I'll send all the pictures to you. You
Sure,
share
sure.
it. Okay.
Right. Okay.
Now let's show the candle. Show the candle. Yes, Hemaji, are you there? Yes. Now, okay. Now keep the candle aside. Keep it aside. 2 notes. You have to burn these notes in the fire. How many of you are ready to attract crores of money into your life? I think your heart rate is increasing when I said this one. Not using this, why should I burn? At least I can also give to some beggar. Why should I burn? Okay, right. What you have to do is, first initially we'll do mental rehearsal. Okay, that means with not the 2 notes, you keep aside notes also, or otherwise keep your notes in hand. Don't burn. Okay, with closed eyes, what you have to do, when I say, you start taking it to the fire and burn it. When you half burn it, take glass of water and dip in it. See the feeling, what comes in your body, in your thoughts. Okay, and we all know we should not only earn the money, but we should also spend the money. Otherwise, there is no use for the money. Most of the people, they'll keep on collecting the money, and also they will grow their all diseases, all the problems. Okay, today we are releasing the blocks, and Asha ji said, I'm not a visually person, but these techniques will clear all your blocks, energy blocks, emotional blocks, karmic blocks, okay, future luck blocks, all those things it will clear. So let us keep yes, show in 2 hands. Yes, Nadim, take snapshot of all of you on your videos. Show your
On the videos. Videos are not on. Yeah.
Okay, right. Keep now with closed eyes. Closed eyes. Now you are taking the 2 notes towards the very slowly towards the candle light. I count 1 to 5. When I say 5, you start burning mentally, not physically. This is only rehearsal. Now you are holding. It is very, very value to you. You are taking 2 notes towards the light. Feel it. 1. When I say 5, you should burn these 2. Okay, it is very, very valuable to you. More than your husband. You love money. So you are taking it very near to the candle. Don't burn physically, mentally. Feel it. Go near to the candle. Yes, 3. When I say 5, you start burning it. Look at how these 2 valuable notes are getting burned. 4. Yes. Start burning. Mentally, you are burning these 2 valuable notes in the fire. Feel it. What pain is coming out of you? Emotions, feelings. Just burn it very slowly. Witness it. It is very, very valuable to you. More than your relationships. Now you are burning it. As you are burning, what are all the feelings coming out of you? What emotions, pains you are feeling in your body? Sweating, anxiety, pain, or disgusting. Just allow all your emotions. As you are burning your money, be a witnesser too. All of you, those who are not holding the money also, mentally do it. Those who have the money, burn your money mentally into that fire. Fire of visualization. Feel it. Spend in that. When it is half burnt, wet this burning rupees in the glass of water and see how are you feeling. When the fire is getting extinguished in the water, glass of water, how are you feeling? Asha ji, with closed eyes, do it. Yes, feel it. Feel it. And observe all your emotions, your feelings coming out when you are doing this.
Feeling like crying.
Yes, yes.
I
Be in that. Yes, allow. The tears roll down, cry. Allow all your emotions. Do it. Spend with that. This burnt notes you are extinguishing in the glass of the water. Feel all your emotions. Spend in that feeling. What emotions are coming out? What pains are coming out? Just feel it. Nadeem, I am sharing those slides. You share.
Okay, you make me as a host. You make me as a host.
Are, how can I bear? In the reaction, sir?
No, you go to the right click. My photo will be there. You just go there, click there, and make me as a host.
Feel, yes, feel it. Now, okay, claps to everyone. Keep your palms over your eyes. Very good. Now you are ready to do physically. Before that, share your experience. Let us listen from Asha.
Yeah, I thought with this money I could have done a lot of things. So why to burn that? And I was feeling like crying. A lot of emotions were connected with that.
This is how you are bonded to the money. See, there is nothing but there is called surfing life. You have to surf, not swim. So most of the people, they think that money is so great, but it is as equal to the other energy. So when you see with attachment, you can only half enjoy, whereas with the detachment, you can enjoy. So this is the attachment you have, more attachment. And second, and you should not feel that money is getting wasted. See, money is nothing but energy. It can transform from one form to another. Okay. This is the total bondage. If you have this much of the bondage, you cannot truly enjoy the money. Money will come to the person who will spend, who will use it in many ways. Okay. Very good. Asha ji, very nice. So you can you sit quietly. You can observe the feelings. Yes, Ruchi ji, describe. What's the feeling?
I was feeling a big loss, again,
Yes,
the
yes.
attachment of money.
Yes, yes. So this when you have this feeling, yes,
The
losing loved
wasting,
ones, losing
I
money,
yeah, it was
losing
very
time,
hard earned.
people always use me. These sort of the negative feelings will make you to have limited attraction. Okay, you are never be a loser. Success is nothing but flowing from one success to another success.
True.
There are number of opportunities are there. We should not wait for the opportunities, but we should welcome or create the opportunities. Very good, Ruchichi. Next one, Megha.
I feel crying. I felt crying, and my body will become cool.
Cool is nothing but becoming cool is nothing but fear of losing. Most of the people, they will have fear. They have the fear of gaining as well as fear of losing. That's why money won't stay for much longer period. Okay. So this is the cause for this body becoming cool. And pain. If somebody is having pain, as Hemaji said, you have to cut all that auric entanglement. You have to cut and allow the wonderful light energy to heal all those things and create the best one. Next, final one.
Yeah, I also felt a little bad because I'm finding this thing. So then now while discussing, I understood that's where people won't grow in life because they wanted to hold the money. So until unless they don't invest, suppose I invest in real estate, I invest in my shares, I invest in my business, I invest in some other place. There is a chance of loss, but there is a chance of getting back, coming back in double or triple. So because we don't want to take a risk, because we don't want to surf, as you said rightly. So we don't want to surf with the money, we will be dip in the money. So it's a good teaching.
Wonderful, wonderful. Now you can show those pictures.
Sure, I'll do
because
that.
I made you.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Next one, final one. Share your experience.
मैं बताऊं?
हाँ, बताओ जी.
मुझे बहुत मजा आया.
हाँ.
और मैं वैसे भी चला सकती हूँ.
Yeah, because life is a play.
Yes.
You should be very, very.
मैं बहुत enjoy कर रही थी. It's good. Feeling is good.
For me, when I did, I felt that I'm all clearing all my negativity. Whatever is excess, I'm all clearing it.
Yes.
Then what happens? You will have a space to attract the best one.
Yes, you're right.
Most of the time we hold it.
Hold it.
There is a saying in West Africa, how the hunters catches the monkeys. They will have a long necked bottle. They will keep the food inside. The monkey will pass its hand inside and it will make a fist so that it won't come outside. Monkey has to open the hands so that she can come out. So we know how to hold, but we don't know how to share, how to give. See, money always is a currency, flow of energy. Yes. Nadeem, is it ready? Yes, share.
One more thing I came to my mind. रियल में चलाना है तो इंडियन रुपी ले.
Come again.
मनी है ना, आप इंडियन में चलाओ या डॉलर में चलाओ या पाउंड में चलाओ.
अभी मेरे पास सऊदी रियाल था तो मुझे लगा इसका वैल्यू तो बहुत ज्यादा है. मतलब ठीक है जो तो है, बट अगर रियल में चलाना है तो मैं इंडियन रुपीस लेके आती हूँ ऊपर से जाके.
Correct. Very good. See, it is nothing but
in my case, Dr. Saab,
yes,
I was planning to burn all those old demonetized notes.
See, you are intelligent. You are a police officer now. You will do all. Very nice.
I mean, I have.
And Hemaji, Sari is wonderful host. When you come to Hyderabad, Ashaji, and he has a police officer's mess. We can conduct various workshops. He is so compassionate and wonderful host. So we can have Anita ji.
All of you are welcome. You are welcome.
Cheppandi Hari garu.
Invite sir to your program.
Yeah, sure, sir. Sure.
Nadeem, chupichandi.
Yeah,
Show the slides.
Right. I'll do.
First. Next, Hema ji will conduct. Hema ji, Anita. Anybody want to share?
నాకేం పెద్దగా అంత కొంచెం బాధేసింది కానీ పెద్దగా నేను అంత డెప్త్ గా ఏం ఆలోచించలేదు సార్ when I'm burning the notes
because you are very much interested in tomorrow's program, so conducting the exhibition and all of this is about with the earth element. I'll make the person to go bury totally, just except the head. I'll ask them to close their eyes and start breathing along with the earth. You all know earth is for the stability, grounding, and connectedness, compassion, passion, forgiveness. All those elements will add on to you to attract the wealth. It's a very, very beautiful exercise. We will do for 35 minutes to 40 minutes, where you will release all the pains associated, that is guilt, shame with the money. Somebody might have insulted you. Hey, you can't do. You are waste. Nothing is possible. All those blocks will automatically. Here is not seeing, but you will feel. Feeling type of experiences will come. You will shatter. You will become very, very clear person. Now you are ready to attract the money. This is with the Mother Earth. Next slide. This is with the water. We all know water is flexibility. Wherever you pour, it will take its shape. So money also, you should not see only as a currency. It should be looked as health, relationship, achievement, success. All will flow. It will mold. When you do the session with water, there are two types. One is in a tub. Second one is in a flowing water. Third one is in a swimming pool. You will be taken into under it with the help of the snorkel. Very beautiful experience, because water will give wonderful massage to you like earth. And you will get flexibility of doing this. You will be very, very flexible. If money is there, you will enjoy. If money is not there, you will enjoy. That sort of adjustment and alignment will come with this exercise. It will last 30 to 40 minutes. Yes, next one. Next slide. This is also with earth. Next. This is with fire. You all know fire is connected with our Manipura chakra. All emotions, all the negative emotions, it will be shorted. Some people, they are not at good visualization, but all this give visual, auditory, kinesthetic, that means touchy, and understanding. 4 types of experiences will come, because elements are surest way to enlightenment. Elements are directly connected with the energy. Elements are directly linked with empowerment. So fire will burn all our negative thoughts, negative emotions, conversion of negative thoughts into positive one. Automatically it will happen. Okay. So non-judgmental attitude also you will get out of this. Next one. This is the space element. You all know there is so much of space. In relationship, you have to give some space. Most of the relationships are going to diverse because they're all not having the space. So when you create the space, money will come. Most of the time we are already occupied with all that negative conditioning. So you'll release, you'll be open, you'll create a space. So money will go. See, money will go to the person who exactly manages it very, very powerfully, very, very efficiently, effortlessly. So space element, breathing with the space element will give very, very wonderful experience. You can see the changes in your relationship, changes in your wealth, even health also. Most of the time we have toxins in our body, all the negativity in the body. We'll start releasing it. It is 40 minutes to 60 minutes of session. Yes, next. Yes, with the water. Okay, all the people, and there is so much of joy when you do all these sessions. Yes, next. Yes, next session, next one. This is, yes. So we always travel in our life. So how to clear all the dirt attached, all the negativity attached, like going to the temples will clear our feet. So it is a very, very beautiful exercise, short exercise. Next. Yes, next. Yeah, this is also with earth. This is with the air element. Okay. Yes, this is all about. Thank you. Yes, show one more slide. Yes, this is with the space element. Yes. All the set of the exercise. Yes. See, you can see this chakras alignment with the earth element to improve the grounding, to attract the stability and forgiveness. We are going to forgive. We have to forgive to attract the money. We have to love, self-love to attract the money. All these things will happen. Yes. Thank you. Okay. Thank you very much. Now, Hemaji, kaise laga this candle burning experience? Raise your hands. Some or other experience. Now you are feeling freed. Okay. And one more thing you can do after lighting the candle. If you see, show the candle. Show the candle. Look at the base of the light, blue color.
Yeah.
Blue color. Yes. Now you start blowing into the blue color. Start blowing into the blue color. One by one. Do it continuously. Initially, you blow into the light. Anita, you can show the light so that all those who don't have the light, they can also blow. Our Anita madam is also carrying light. Blow your negativity, your thoughts. I can't become rich. Money will not flow to me. I have so many blockages. I don't have wealth. Debit is more than credit. Money will not stay with me. Blow out all your negative thoughts one by one. There are so many, like Hemaji said, so many things are there. We'll have all these series of workshops. We have paid workshops also by Hemaji in coming future. We'll announce it. Yes, blow out. You throw all your enemies also, those who are not giving money to you. Burn them, including your husband. If you have any envious about him, just blow out. If your children are causing problem or spouse is causing problem, blow out one by one. You should not hold the thoughts. Hemaji, Nadeem, Dr. Hari, they give transformational workshops, not informational workshops, all practical sessions. Blow out. We started with Hema's meditation. Now we are doing small sessions. When we meet physically, we'll do 5 element sessions. Either in Delhi or Hyderabad. Blow out one by one. Astonishingly, positive thoughts will start coming. Fire has the ability to burn either paper or person. Blow out all your thoughts. I can't do. Money will not grow on the trees. I don't have money plant. Money will not stay with me. All those negative thoughts, one by one, release it. Nature is such that, creation is such that if you release all the negativity, positivity will automatically flow. There is so much of positivity. Create the space by releasing all the negative thoughts. One by one. I am not good enough. I can't do. Luck is not there. Shani, I am running in Shani Dasha. Release it, everything. Why only me? All people around me are rich. I am alone. Is pauper. Release it, the thought. Nobody will give money. Nobody will help. All are fake friends. Release all the thoughts one by one. My most enemy is, worst enemy is my spouse. Release it. One by one. As you are releasing, you will get smile on your face. The space you will get, the joy you will get inside you. Now slowly, slowly, when you are okay, you can keep it aside. You can practice it later. And close your eyes for 30 seconds. Have a smile on the face. Close your eyes. Observe your breath. for 30 seconds. As you are observing the breath, the smile on your face is increasing. As you are observing the breath, the smile on your face is increasing. Close your eyes. Closing the eyes will attract the wealth. It is more than prayer. It is more than chanting of mantra. Close your eyes, observe the breath. As you are observing the breath, the smile on your face is increasing, spreading all over the face, all over the body, filling every cell of you, every part of you with smile. Wherever you have pain or discomfort, fill that area with smile. Yes, Rajesh is saying, good session, thank you. Spread the smiles into the place where you are. Fill your family, workplace with the smiles, soulful smiles. Wonderful, sir. Jaychandra, sir. Last 5 seconds with closed eyes. You are spreading the smiles, soulful smiles from you into the workplace, family, into your city, spreading into your whole state, nation, our India, spreading whole globe with soulful smiles. You are the source of soulful smiles. Each breath making you magnet of soulful smiles barrier. Spreading the smiles, light, love everywhere. Wonderful. Last 5 seconds. Spread it. Whole cosmos, whole planet starts with smiles, light, love. From this state of expansion, bless your body. See how beautiful your body is from head to toe. No income tax paying face. Joy is overflowing. Constipation face. Your conscious living face. Yes, spreading this bliss smiles everywhere. Each and every part of your life. All your family members are smiling. All your relatives, whomever you know, are smiling at your joy, happiness, health, peace. From jealousy to joy. Now slowly, slowly, keep palms over your eyes. Say thanks to your body. And wish your body to enjoy abundance of health. Touch. You are wishing yourself, yes, touch your parts. Yes, I am ready to enjoy all the wealth. So you have wonderful life. We grow together and we have the best life. Yes, yes, claps, claps, claps to everyone.
Here, I would like to appreciate the way you have asked all of us to share our joy, share our smiles and all that. In fact, the life is full of sharing. If you start sharing, then joy will come. Suppose you have education, you share it, it will become double. You have money, you share it, it will once again come. It is my personal experience that if I spend about 10,000 rupees, I'll get another 10,000 rupees somehow. But the spending should be with a sincere mind, number one. Number two, the spending should be at least 50% of it, or at least 25% of it should be for the benefit of others. This sharing will get you more joy, more money, more health, more of everything.
Wonderful. Wonderful, sir. Yes, Hema ji.
बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था और डेफिनेटली आप मनी इज एनर्जी, एवरीथिंग इज एनर्जी। आप जितना चीजों को शेयर करेंगे लाइफ में उतनी ही आपके पास वापस आएगी। स्पेस देंगे, आप निकालेंगे और शेयर करते हुए आप में ना हैप्पीनेस की, ग्रैटिट्यूड की फीलिंग आती है। और नेचर, आप नेचर से देखिए ना, आप कितना आप देते हैं और कितना वो आपको वापस करती है। तो ये शेयरिंग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है हर चीज में, इवन हैप्पीनेस में। अगर आपको खुश रहना है तो आपको लोगों को खुशी देनी है, तो ऑटोमेटिकली आप अपने आप वाइब्रेंट होंगे, आपकी वाइब्रेशंस हाई रहेंगी। अगर आप सिकुड़ जाएंगे, लाइक आप क्लोज हो जाएंगे, तो आपकी ऑटोमेटिकली वाइब्रेशंस डाउन हो जाएगी।
वेरी नाइस। रुचि जी, शेयर योर एक्सपीरियंस। आशा जी, कैसे लगा?
That's awesome.
Wonderful. Yes.
Wonderful.
Wonderful
Seriously.
experience. Yes. Now, Hema ji, you continue, or otherwise we'll do one beautiful lotus gratitude lotus exercise.
Yes.
Before we do that exercise, which is proposed by Dr. Hari Kumar, I'd like to tell you something terrible also.
Give some chance to others, sir.
In nature, the very fundamental principle of nature
You're right.
is that whatever you give, it comes back. If you share joy, it will come back. If you share sorrow, that will also come back to you. If you do sin, again, that will come to you in another form. You insult somebody, somebody else will insult you. So it is the fundamental principle of nature that whatever you give to others, that will come back to you in another form. So always learn to give the best to others so that the best will come back to you.
Yes, sure.
Now, sir, doctor, you can carry on with your lotus exercise or whatever.
Hema ji.
Yes, yes. मैं बस यही बोलना चाहूंगी कि डेफिनेटली आप माइंड आपका कहते हैं बहुत पावरफुल है, और उसमें आप क्या सीड डालते हैं, सीड में बहुत ताकत होती है। देखो, सीड, एक सीड आपको पेड़ बन जाता है, पेड़ से आपको फल मिलता है। तो उसी तरह आप अपने माइंड में किस टाइप के सीड डाल रहे हैं, और वो जो डाल रहे हैं और उसका कहते हैं पेड़ क्या बन रहा है, ये आपको ऑब्जर्व करना है। आपको अपने साथ कनेक्ट होना है। जब आप अपने साथ कनेक्ट होंगे, अपनी थॉट्स को वॉच करेंगे, तो आपको पता चलेगा कि क्या सही है, क्या गलत है। हम कहते हैं कि हमें ये चीज करनी है, बट क्या करनी है हम स्पेसिफाई ही नहीं होते। जब आप स्पेसिफाई होंगे कि ये चीज मेरे को करनी है और मैं कहाँ गलत हूँ। अगर आज मनी का फ्लो आपके इंक्रीज नहीं है, तो कहीं ना कहीं आपकी ही वजह से नहीं है, आपके मेंटल, आपके बिलीव्स, आपके एक्शन की ही वजह से नहीं है। तो थिंक पॉजिटिव, ग्रैटिट्यूड आप लिखिए, राइट डाउन आपकी विशेस, स्पेसिफाई उसके लिए आपको क्या क्या चीज करनी है, वो आपको अपने आप ही चीजें सामने नजर आती रहेंगी। तो मेरा बस आपको यही कहना। बाकी अब जब कहते वर्कशॉप्स हम 4 आवर्स की देते हैं, तो उसमें बहुत छोटी छोटी चीजें डिटेल वे में बताते हैं, कौन कौन से बिलीव्स है जो हमें नहीं करने चाहिए। और दूसरा, कोई भी चीज आती है, मनी एनर्जी है। कई बार हम क्या करते हैं, हम रेस्टोरेंट जाते हैं और टिप देते हैं, और हम कहते वेटर को वहीं कह देते नहीं रख लो। नहीं, कभी नहीं ऐसा करना चाहिए। मैंने जब वर्कशॉप नहीं की थी, मैं भी ऐसा करती थी। कहीं गए, हमने वहीं रोक दिया, क्योंकि मनी एनर्जी है, वो आपको रोटेट होनी चाहिए। मनी आई, आपने कलेक्ट कर दिया, आपका देने का ही मन नहीं करता। जब आप दोगे नहीं तो वो वापस नहीं आएगा। तो फ्लो में रहना चाहिए। जितना फ्लो में रहेगा, उतनी चीजें इंक्रीज होंगी, उतनी बढ़ेंगी ये। तो बाकी कहते हैं जब हम सेशन करेंगे तो हर चीज को बहुत डिटेल वे में बताएंगे। और थैंक्स कहना चाहती हूँ जो लोगों ने कहते हैं सेशन को ज्वाइन किया, जो सीखा। और मैंने जो सीखा था, मैंने वो बहुत ही ऑनेस्टी से डिलीवर किया है। और आप उसको जब वो करेंगे, पॉजिटिव रहेंगे और एक्शन लेंगे, तो रिजल्ट 100% आएंगे, 101% है। बिलीव योरसेल्फ कि मुझे क्या चाहिए।
फ्रेंड्स, वी आर
सबको मैं कहते हैं थैंक्स करती हूँ और आने के लिए थैंक यू।
वी आर कंडक्टिंग ब्लिसफुल बिलियनियर
वर्कशॉप। Definitely.
Blissful Billionaire with Hemaji, Nadeem, Dr. Hari and Asha. We are all doing a wonderful workshop. Okay, we'll inform you. All of you, just keep your fingers like this. Keep your fingers. Once you are opening your finger, you have to say, I have wonderful car, house, wonderful husband, lovable husband, wonderful family. Like that, whatever you have, just when you are opening each finger very slowly, you should think of what you have. After opening everything, whatever you want. Yes, I want second car. I want nice bungalow. So first thing, there is a law. Whatever you want, every desire is okay. But first you should express gratitude for what you have already. After that, you have to think. Most of the time, Baba or Guru or Lord or angel, please give me. You are a beggar. First you have to express the gratitude for what you have first. All your shlokas, all Upanishads, Vedas said same thing. So you express, yes, I have a wonderful, beautiful body, wonderful nose. Why do you think about your heart attack? Why do you think about your sad liver? You think about beautiful body, glowing skin. So then what happens? All your body will try to correct everything, whatever the small defects are there. So express the gratitude. Yes. First finger open and think of best thing you have now. I have wonderful health or wonderful eyes, handsome looks. Yes. Next. Second one, open it and think of what you have already. What you have. This is a great exercise. Money affirmations, positive affirmations. Next, we are going to learn later. Yes, one by one. Yes, I have best freedom in my life, or wonderful education, wonderful parents. People are living on the roads. I have small hut. Thanks for it. Express the gratitude. Yes. People are, see, there is a war between Pakistan and Bharat. I don't have any war with my wife. Express the gratitude. I am happy. No money is coming, but I have good happiness, joy. There is a freedom. Just express thanks after opening everything. Now the flower has opened. Now, once you are bringing each finger, you express your desire. Yes, I am attracting wealth into my life. In this year, I am earning 1 crore. Yes. I am going to have, any youngster is there? I am going to have beautiful wife into my life. Don't think of second one, only first one. No extras. Okay. Yes, all attract the best things into your life. Yes, make it. When all 10 fingers come closer, close your eyes, bring 2 hands and just hug yourself. If at all you have pillow or teddy bear, just hug it. Yes, all 10 are there with you. Express thanks to yourself. The God or cosmos, nature. Yes, I have everything now. Think of all the best things you have. And what are all the things you want in your life. Just to think about it, pamper it, kiss it. Now you are blessing your own self. Hold it. If no pillow, no teddy bear is there, just think about your lover or your kid or your spouse. Just hug it. Feel that love of having all the success. Feel that creative ability you have within to make it everything possible. You are God, I say. You have wonderful potential within. Aham Brahmasmi. Subconscious mind has so much of potential to attract the wealth, wisdom, success, joy, wealth into your life. Thank it. Just feel as you are kissing and pampering the teddy bear or pillow, feel you are pampering your inner child with all the success, all the joy, all the happiness. These are all short sessions. Nadeem, Hemaji, we're all going to have very wonderful sessions, very lengthy sessions, where you can see transformations. As Balaji said, as Ashaji said, all experiences will come. You are going to have that, and you are going to unleash that potential. Yes, thank them, bless all yourself. And whenever you are ready, with cheerful face, slowly open your eyes whenever you are ready, or otherwise be in that state. Asha, describe. Clap. How are you feeling?
Feeling very good. Happy.
Happy. Yes, Megha. There are shamanic techniques of attracting the wealth and success. In the next sessions, we will come to know. Okay, Nadeem. Hemaji, final remarks. Or anybody want to share?
100%. Good.
Maria. Let's call the names. Megha, Imran, Dr. Imran, Anita. Anybody want to share? One or two?
Yeah, it was very nice program, Hari and Hema.
Hemaji, final remarks. Before that, Nadeem.
101%. Very excellent.
Screen share. Yes, Hemaji, continue.
Very excellent session, Hariji. Very excellent. 101%.
It's all your strength.
No.
It's all
Yes.
for initiation. Huh? Very nice. This is a very great platform. We'll invite all the coaches, and tomorrow Nadeem is going to take the class on wellness, how to create the wellness, and Hemaji will be the moderator. I'll be the guest. Okay. Tomorrow Nadeem is going to show all the techniques. 18th there is a program by a model from Delhi. She is Mrs. India. Her name is Roli. She is going to speak on art of modeling and mega living on 18th. Okay, we'll invite everyone, and everybody will have our own workshops. But here, 3 people are pillars: Hema, Nadeem, and Dr. Hari Kumar. Okay, if you can allocate your time, you can also become active participants. But this is Anita is advisor, and Jayachandra sir is also advisor for us because of his seniority and senior policeman. Okay. Right, Nadeem?
Right. Yeah, it was a very nice session, and everybody got a positive thing. Everybody burned their negative feelings and negative thoughts, and we all started attracting wealth and attracting happiness. And as Jayachandra ji said, we had to give, we had to share. So we are ready to share a lot of things in the coming future, our knowledge, our experience, everything we'll share, and we all grow together.
Yes.
As an energy. Thank you so much.
Asha, tomorrow you can be moderator. Guest is our Hemaji. Nadeem is speaker.
Done.
Okay. Tomorrow.
Done.
9 o'clock, 9 to 10 or 8 to 9, which is the time?
8 to 9 is better.
Yeah, 8 to 9 is better.
8 to 9 is better.
And congratulations to Anita ji. She is on Saturday, tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Her exhibition is going on, art exhibition. Best wishes to her.
Best wishes, Anita ji.
Thank you. I would request, if at all anybody is convenient, please visit our gallery. Jayachandra sir, please do visit our gallery along with Dr. Hari sir.
Yeah.
Nadeem ji, aap bhi aiye.
Yeah, where is it?
It is in road number 1, sir.
Inform you.
Yeah,
One
sure.
person is there. He is getting
You can share the location.
Congratulations.
Sure,
So,
sir.
if you can share the location, we'll definitely come and
Okay,
share
sir.
your joy.
Clear. Thank you so much, sir.
Dr. Saurav. I think he left it because he's in a hurry to marry second time. Congratulations to him also. It's joke. Don't take it seriously. Okay. Everything we have to celebrate. Okay, life is a celebration. Okay.
Right.
Good night.
Good night.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good night.
Tomorrow we'll
Good night.
and connect with Nadeem. Nadeem, form a group so that all will join to you.
Sure.
Okay. Any information, Nadeem will coordinate because he's a
Yeah.
hockey player. He's a sportsman. Okay.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
I think there's a better word than group. The better word is team. Let us form a good team, and the teamwork will move us forward and make us even climb the Everest.
Very good.
Okay.
Excellent.
Thank you all. Good night.
Right, Hema ji, how is anchoring? Good.
Right, बहुत अच्छी, बहुत very excellent.
Excellent. Very nice.
Thank you,
Wonderful.
Hema ji, and thank you all.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you to all of
Big
you.
applause to Hema ji. Big round of applause to Hema ji.
Thank you.
Good initiative. And big round of applause to Nadeem, Asha, Megha, Anita, and everyone. Finally, Dr. Hari
For
Kumar.
you too.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're excellent.
Thank you.
I have
Bye-bye.
one query also.
Yes.
Like
Queries?
I have never done the meditation kind of thing. So if I want to begin, where from I start and how should I start?
Okay.
We'll teach in the
I'll teach-
tomorrow session. Tomorrow's session we'll teach.
You can do it. So what you have to do is keep your fingers like this.
Okay.
Right. First one is short breath. 4 short breaths. 5th one is long breath. Okay. 4 short breaths, 5th long breaths. This is one cycle. Okay. Like this, 21 cycles will do. What for? To make the mind calm. Meditation is nothing but making mind zero so that you will become hero.
Hero.
Zero to hero.
Okay.
The journey. Okay.
Zero to hero.
So meditation is not prayer. Meditation is not contemplation. Going to nothingness.
Yeah.
This 4:1. 4:1 will make mind calm. Some people use music. Some people use pyramids. This pyramid also very wonderful structure. It makes the mind calm, either on the top of the head or on the body or doing under the pyramid. We have great pyramids, even Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai. I'll take you. I'll show you. Even in your place also, maybe you may be having pyramids like Giza pyramid. After that, yes.
Egypt has lot of pyramids, natural pyramids.
4:1 breaths. After that, observe your normal breath. Okay, normal breath. Yes. Now, keep over your thighs or like this with closed eyes. All of us, let us do for corona-free world.
Dr. Hari, can we do tomorrow after the session?
Just let her.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. 4 times short breaths. 5th long breath. 4 times short breaths. 5th long breaths. Do it. 4 times short breaths. 5th long breaths. We'll do only 5 cycles today. 4 times short breaths, 5th long breaths. This group meditation is for corona-free world. Creating the corona-free world. 4 times short breaths, 5th long breaths. Intention is for global wellness. 4 times short breaths, 5th long breaths. This 4:1 cycles will help you. Let's continue, repeat. Will make your mind calm. No wavering of the mind. Some people chant mantra, not required. Some people think of God, not required. You yourself is God. 4 times short breaths, 5th long breaths. Now keep palms like this, clasping the fingers. Actually 21 cycles you have to do. Now observe the breath, how it is going and coming out. With cheerful face, smile on your face. Observe your breath, how it is naturally going in and coming out. No need to think of any mantra, visualize any God, just witness the breath. As you are observing the breath, the smile on your face is increasing, spreading all over the body, filling every cell. Just witness the breath. You should not observe the breath when you are in ICU, intensive care unit. Meditation should be done from the childhood. Dhruva, Rama, Krishna, everybody did meditation from the childhood. Last 5 seconds, your body is becoming very, very light. The time duration is, if you are 30 years, 30 minutes. If you are 50 years, 50 minutes tak karna hai. Witness karna hai, observe karna hai. Breath ko. Yahi dhyan hai. Saans par dhyan rakhna hai. Saans is nothing but not only oxygen, but also life force energy. The God's energy. Just be with the breath. Breath is our savior. Breath connects body, mind, and soul. Breath is the bridge between outer and inner worlds. Final 5 seconds. Body is becoming very, very light. Be with the breath. Normal, natural, easy, soft, tender breath. Minimum duration is, if your age is 20 years, 20 minutes. Doing in pyramids with the help of the kiln becomes powerful. Doing with kids, ladies, with good intention. Last 5 seconds. Slowly, slowly. Whenever you are ready, keep palms over your eyes and slowly, slowly open your eyes. Or otherwise, we can continue like this. Asha ji, acha laga?
Yeah.
Same thing. If you increase the time, you will get. I'll take you, I'll show you how the Kundalini awakens, how the chakras will be activated, how third eye can be activated, how can you do out of body experience, astral travel. All you can know because you are already life coach. In our association with Nadeem, Hema ji will share our wisdom. Okay?
Sure. Thank you so much.
Right.
Do it very leisurely. Huh? Hema ji, thank you.